Hi everyone, this is a Lippan artwork making video. Here is an 8-inch MDF board on which I am going to create a Lippan artwork, and I will base paint this board in white first so that any color that you apply later is going to look bright and vibrant. The board is painted in white. I am going to let this dry for half an hour. Now that the white base paint is fully dry, I am going to base paint it in blue. Now that the board is fully painted in blue, I am going to let this dry for half an hour before I draw any design on that. The base paint blue was fully dry, so I found the center, drew two circles, 0 and 180 falls here. This is 45, 90 and 135. This is how I drew circles and created grids. I'll place the Fevicol and clay right now. I'll place the Fevicol for this outermost circle now. Now I'm going to place the clay on all these lines here. So I'm going to let this Fevicol and clay dry for half an hour before I paint on this clay and place the mirror. Now the Fevicol and the clay is dry. I'm going to paint the clay with white now. I'll place 3 eye-shaped mirrors in each of these spaces here. Now I'll place the mirrors here. I'll place Fevicol here so that I can place some triangular mirrors. I'll place Fevicol in between any two triangular mirrors. I'll place the mirrors now. I'll keep some white dots. Some more dots here. I'm sure all of you love this Lippan artwork. Thank you for watching this video.